Alright, we're on it again.
Chop Fire River right there.
Don't look down. Alright, we find it. This is the place. Koh Raham, the true taste of sand. Alright. Has a cool entrance. Definitely has a mystical scenery, or like a Tulum vibe to it as well. Oh, here's the bar area. It's a pretty cool place actually. Let's see how the food and the price performance gonna be. So alright, let's see if we can go all the way to the end. Alright guys, I decided to set up here. It's kind of like a tree house. It's a little bit higher elevated, and I got the beautiful view. The sun is about to set, and I have this nice beautiful beach. So I'm probably gonna end up on that beach to be able to fly the drone. So I think we still have like almost 1 hour to set the sun. So I just ordered some food. I'm gonna eat that real quick. So hopefully by the time I pay the bill and everything, we're still gonna have a little bit of sunset, and then I'm gonna fly the drone from the beach. So yeah, it's a lot of ropes hanging around. It's kind of cool looking place. Like I said earlier, it reminds me of like a Tulum vibes kind of thing. It's like a house music playing in the background. Yeah, a lot of little statues and stuff. I'm pretty sure at nighttime it'll be super cool in here. You know, when you put the lighting between the trees and stuff with the shades, yeah, it'll be great. Maybe I'll come back here on the nighttime to check it out. Yeah, this is only, let me see how far from my hotel, the Benjamin's Hut. Oh, we're so close. Wait a minute. Yeah, it says 2 minutes. 2 minutes with the motorbike from where I'm staying, which is Benjamin's Hut. Okay. So let me tell you guys the tomorrow's itinerary. Of course, tomorrow night it's gonna be the full moon party. I'm gonna be going there for the first time, so then you got the best seat next to me, so you're coming with me. And during the day, right after breakfast, or maybe just one coffee, I'm gonna go to that viewpoint. It calls the Bottle Beach viewpoint. It's kind of on the northeast side of the island, and it has this spectacular view that I've been telling you guys. But this place is like 45 minutes away, so first thing in the morning we're gonna do that. I'm definitely taking my drone out, and actually right next to it, it calls 2C Bar. There's like a place. Again, it's on the top of the mountain kind of thing. It probably has the gorgeous views. So we might have a lunch, or you know, dinner, whatever it is, over there on the top. So yeah, All right, guys, my food has arrived. Oh my god, it looks really, really good. Check this out. Here's my stem rice. Here's my like a fruit plate mixed with nuts. Oh my god. And this is the chicken stir chicken fried chicken stir.
What? 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 What?
I'm getting all confused. This is the chicken stir fry with cashew. So yeah, okay, I think I get it right this time. So check this out. Okay, let's start with a little bit of rice. And a little bit of chicken. Okay. All right. Very good. The flavor hits later. I love all this flavor. So even though I said I want a medium spicy, this one it's like Farang medium because I don't taste spicy at all. So much flavor. Oh my god, I'm loving this. All right, guys, I just finished the chicken and rice. It was so alamak. So now it's time for my fruit bowl. Let's give it a try. Whew. And I'm still sweating buckets. Oh my god, I can feel dripping on my chest, on my legs, on my face. It's a hot one today. And here it is, my fruit bowl with some peanuts. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with the spoon. They put the whole lime in there, which is really good. But don't ask me to eat the whole chili over here. I'm not on that level yet. It's sweet, sour, and spicy at the same time. I don't know how to describe this. You can taste all three. Alright guys, I finished the whole salad too. Oh my god, it was a lot. The portions are over here. It's not like Thai portion, it's like American portion. Anyway, it was so good. I really enjoyed it. And we still have time for the sunset drone footage. So yeah, this is what left. Pretty much nothing. Alright, let's go find a spot for the drone. Let's get this beautiful view. This is just amazing. Got a good spot. So how was the drone footage? I hope you guys enjoyed. I think we got a good couple footages. I mean, it's just so beautiful over here. And I'm speechless. It's spectacular. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I do. Feels great out here. I got goosebumps, guys. I'm not gonna lie.